All right, looks like we have you scheduled in our system for 2 p.m. on Saturday. All right, see you then. In today's fast-paced world, technology plays a vital role in managing the workflow of a tire shop. From appointment setting to exit interviews to the customer leaving a review online, every step of the process can be augmented by integrated software solutions, making these processes more efficient and effective. In this video, we talk about how to use technology to manage your shop's workflow. One of the key benefits of shop management technology is the ability to automate the entry of service recommendations and service due dates. This helps to keep these important items at the top of customers' minds while also making better use of your management system. Shop management systems set a great foundation for an efficient workflow process. Another benefit of shop management systems is the ability to integrate with other features like appointment setting. Before your customer comes into the shop, they can input their vehicle information into the management system through your website and set appointments, all from the convenience of their homes. Instead of obtaining a repeat customer's information every single time they come into your shop, all you need to do is look up their name or VIN and voila, their vehicle information comes up. Integrated digital inspection packages can automatically insert technician-found recommendations into the management system as they are discovered during the inspection. With this in place, it makes it more likely that the advisor will see and recommend what needs fixed. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire service and shop operations videos. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.